Auto post to thousands of Facebook groups with just one click in 2026 Rocket. First, we will use the MKT-UID software to scan the UIDs of Facebook groups. This is a crucial step before posting in bulk. In MKT-UID, you can scan groups in multiple ways: scan by keywords, for example, buying, selling, real estate, recruitment, scan from an existing list of group links, or scan groups that competitors are joining. After selecting the scan source, the software will automatically find and filter all Facebook group UIDs that match your needs. Once the scanning process is complete, you simply export the group UID list to use in the next step for automated posting. This method helps you reach the right groups, target the right audience, and optimize your marketing performance. Next, select the posting feature and choose group posting. Here, we prepare the post content. You can create multiple content templates, add images, videos, links, hashtags, or use spin content to avoid duplication. Next, we copy the UIDs of the Facebook groups we want to post to and paste them into the software. The tool supports automatically joining groups before posting, helping accounts meet posting requirements and avoid rejection errors. Next, you configure the campaign, select the Facebook accounts to run, set the number of groups each account will post to, add delays between posts to make the behavior more natural. This helps accounts act like real users and reduces the risk of checkpoints. Once everything is ready, just click Start. The bot will automatically log in and post to Facebook groups according to the setup you configured. As you can see, the post is published directly in the group, fast and accurate. If you're interested in trying the bot auto post multiple Facebook groups 2026, leave a comment or send me a message using the contact information below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more automated marketing tutorials.